Angina pectoris. Angina is chest pain or discomfort that occurs when your heart muscle doesn't get enough oxygen-rich blood. It's not a heart attack, but it can be a warning sign of one. Think of it as a heart saying, "I need more oxygen." Angina usually occurs due to coronary artery narrowing from atherosclerosis. When demand for oxygen increases, like during exercise or stress, the narrowed arteries can't supply enough blood, leading to ischemia and pain. Unlike MI, there is no permanent damage in angina, unless the condition progresses. There are four main types of angina: stable angina, predictable and triggered by exertion or stress, relieved by rest or nitroglycerin. Unstable angina occurs at rest or with minimal exertion. Unpredictable and a medical emergency. May signal an impending heart attack. Variant, Prinzmetal's angina, caused by coronary artery spasm. Often occurs at rest, and usually at night. Microvascular angina. Pain without visible blockages in large arteries. Involves dysfunction in the smaller coronary vessels. Signs and symptoms. Symptoms of angina may include chest pain or pressure, often described as squeezing or tightness. Pain radiating to the neck, jaw, shoulders, or arms. Shortness of breath. Fatigue. Sweating. Dizziness or nausea. It usually lasts a few minutes and goes away with rest or medication. Causes and risk factors. The main cause is reduced coronary blood flow due to atherosclerosis. Risk factors include smoking, diabetes, high cholesterol, hypertension, sedentary lifestyle, stress, obesity, family history of heart disease. Diagnosis. Doctors may use ECG to look for ischemic changes. Stress test, ECG during exercise. Echocardiogram. Coronary angiography, to check for blockages. Blood tests, usually normal in stable angina. Treatment and management. Angina is managed with medications and lifestyle changes. Common medications include nitrates, example, nitroglycerin. Beta blockers. Calcium channel blockers. Antiplatelet agents, example, aspirin. Statins to control cholesterol. In severe cases, procedures like angioplasty with stenting, coronary artery bypass grafting, CABG, may be recommended. Lifestyle changes for angina patients. Managing angina means managing your lifestyle too. Quit smoking. Maintain a healthy weight. Eat a heart-healthy diet. Manage blood pressure and sugar. Exercise regularly, but only as recommended by your doctor. Learn to manage stress. Angina versus heart attack, know the difference. Angina, temporary chest discomfort. Relieved by rest or medicine. No permanent damage. Heart attack, MI, sudden, severe chest pain. Not relieved by rest. Causes permanent heart damage. If chest pain lasts more than 15 minutes or worsens, treat it as a heart attack. Call emergency services immediately. Conclusion. Angina is a serious warning sign from your heart, but it can be managed. Early diagnosis, proper treatment, and healthy living are key.